Say what I want, my Jamaican. Send for your location. And sometimes I wonder why I fool with you. Just a bill and a cool with you.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Nay. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Halloween / Bitches October and I'm ready makeup tutorial. I wouldn't really call this a tutorial, it's more of an I'm bored, so let's do my makeup. I went in, did my eyebrows, and I already primed my face. And y'all, my eyebrows,
They look nasty.
but that's because I really don't know how to do my eyebrows at all. So I do the best that I can. Okay, so we're gonna start out with the foundation. So I'm going with my MAC foundation.
I don't need your permission to give all that ass some attention. You all in my honorable mentions. Like bro, her traits were really distinctive. Don't know what the hell I was thinking. Netflix and chill.
That going on my feet.
She start to subdue me. Truly never been the type of dude to fall in love with cerebral. But honeysuckle on me like a new beat. Had a buzz from the love that I never wore gloves. Man, I swore was a
So now I'm gonna go with my beauty blender.
But your ex never showed up. Focus on the task at hand. Came with a bang. It ain't a thing to multitask. Ain't no flash in a pan. I'm a passionate man. She don't want me to leave her. No time for a breather. In love with the reefer. She blowing sativa. Come to mind, I'm so high off the cheaper. No one is harder. I take it further. I am your father. Your girl call me daddy. On I your bother.
So that's blended. We looking like, I don't even know what we looking like over here.
A chicken nugget.
Okay, so after I do that, then I like to find my concealer because I can't find it. My concealer. But when I bought this, I bought it in like 14 shades too bright. So, and with the wrong undertone and everything, so this don't make me look ghostly and yellow. It's hell. So what I like to do with that, I'll use that, and I'll go in and put this on top of it because this is like my skin color. And all of these products I either got from CVS or Ulta because I feel like cheap makeup or drugstore makeup or whatever, it's just as good as the regular, as the expensive non-drugstore makeup. My little. You see that? You don't even. Can you see it? Oh. And I like to use that just to really conceal my under eyelids.
Bruh.
Okay, so now I don't have a contour palette, so take my brushes. I got this big thing of brushes. Oh, it's upside down.
ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
So I got this big thing of brushes. It's like 32 brushes in here. I got it from Walmart for like $10. Online from Walmart for like $10. I told you. I am like the queen of cheap makeup stuff, okay? My makeup still be looking bomb. So I'm gonna open that up. And I'm gonna take this brush, shaped like, I don't know, this shape brush. And then use this little contour palette. And then lightly contour my cheek.
Remember when I bought you that bouquet, had you feeling special? Remember when you burned it with our love so disrespectful? That's the same day I fell back in love with the pencil. Made a promise to myself, I never let a bitch fuck up my mental. All the pain I held inside no longer confidential. Still chilling, same villain, rolling up extendos.
I'm done with that. I don't highlight my face because I got a round face and I like my little cheeks. I'm not gonna do my forehead because she's covered. Like, I need this. And now, okay, so basically I'm done with my face now. This is normally all that I do. Okay, so now to the good part. Now we are going to prime our eyelids. Use concealer to prime my eyelids. Ooh, yes, I should stop right here. So this is the final look. I'm gonna go in. With my booty blender. My booty blender. Booty blender. So no, it's not. So now we're gonna go in with the brown first. But like a brown from my happy birthday palette that I got for my birthday from Ulta. I'm going to go in with this brown right here. It's like an orangey. It's like an orangey, right? Nah. It's a light brown. Cause we like light browns in this bitch. And then we're gonna go with the black from my makeover palette. So we're just gonna put the black into the crease, like right there, crease, and also down here on this part of the eyelid. Now we're gonna take this orange right here and just put that right in there, right up in there.
Orange justice.
Blend it a little bit on both sides. So if your makeup's not blended, bitch, I'm offended. So now I'm going to go in with my favorite palette, the Galaxy Chic palette that I got from Ulta also. Oh, and look, a shiny orange, because we love a shiny lid. We love a shiny lid, sis. Oh, look, they have names. I'm gonna use this orange right here in the color
Venus.
I kind of want to use Saturn too. We're gonna use Venus. In hindsight, I should have gone with this orange first. But we all make mistakes. Just happy little accidents. Now that we're all done with the eyeshadow portion, we're going to go ahead and liquid line it. And I'm using the liquid liner from the drugstore, you know, that Maybelline Master Precise liner. Just gonna line my eyes. Eyes. There we go. Eyes. Lined. Under eyes concealed. Now, because you know, you gotta be extra. Going to go on with lashes. Don't forget to hydrate. How you have clear skin. And we're back. Okay. Swim back now. Then next I'm going to go in with my MAC High Drama liquid lip and mix that with my ColourPop black in the, it's called Friday. Okay, so now we're done with that. We're gonna go in and highlight in stick form. Just my nose. I'm gonna blend that out with my finger. Okay. And now we're done. So this is the full makeup look. I love it. I'm in love with October. I'm in love with Halloween. Not like that. Like, I just like the holiday. I love dressing up and party. Thanks for watching my video, you guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, follow me on Instagram, you know, all that. And thanks. Bye.